Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's episode, I'm going to talk about rabies in Nairobi. Yesterday, the Kenya Society for Protection and Care of Animals issued a warning about the rising cases of rabies in Nairobi. So far, rabies has been reported in a number of estates including Ngong, Rongai, Karen, Kibera, Dagoretti, Kilimani, and Lavington. And in view of that, I decided to do a video on rabies, animals that can transmit rabies, symptoms of rabies, and safety measures that you can take to protect yourself, your loved ones, and your animals from rabies. What is rabies? Rabies is a deadly viral disease that is caused by the rabies virus. Rabies is transmitted through saliva of an infected animal, and this usually occurs through a bite when an infected animal bites another animal or bites a person. It can also be transmitted when infected saliva gets into an open wound or cut on your skin or your mucous membrane, such as your mouth or eyes. Once in the body, the virus infects the central nervous system, causing disease in your brain and ultimately death. What animals can transmit rabies to man? It's important to note that rabies only affects mammals. And mammals are basically warm-blooded animals that suckle their baby and have fur or hair on their skin. Examples of mammals include pets like dogs and cats, livestock such as cattle, sheep, and goats, and wildlife such as bats, deer, wolf, and lion. All these animals that I've mentioned can transmit rabies to man. What are the symptoms of rabies? Rabies progresses in 5 distinct stages: the incubation stage, the prodrome stage, the acute neurological stage, coma, and death. Incubation is the time after exposure and before onset of symptoms, and it can last between 3 to 12 weeks, but can be as short as 5 days or as long as 2 years, depending on 1, location of exposure, 2, type of rabies virus, 3, immune status of the victim. The closer the bite is to the brain, the sooner the symptoms appear. And once symptoms appear, rabies is fatal. So guys, I advise you, if you suspect exposure to the infection, seek medical attention immediately. Don't wait for symptoms to appear. It would be too late. Prodrome stage is when flu-like symptoms appear, and they include fever of about 38 degrees Celsius, headache, anxiety, nausea, vomiting, coughing, and general feeling of unwell. This lasts between 2 to 10 days and worsens with time. The acute neurological period is when neurological symptoms develop, and they include aggression, confusion, paralysis, involuntary muscle twitching, rigid neck, convulsions, hyperventilation, difficulty breathing, excessive salivation and foaming at the mouth, fear of water and light, hallucinations, nightmares, and insomnia. Towards the end of this stage, breathing becomes rapid and inconsistent. Coma and death. If the person gets into a coma, death occurs within hours. Guys, rabies is a deadly disease. There is no cure for rabies. There is treatment, but before onset of symptoms. Once symptoms appear, it's too late for you. So guys, I urge you to take every precaution necessary to protect yourself, to protect your loved one, to protect your animals against this deadly disease. I'm going to give you 4 important safety measures that you can apply to keep yourself, your family, and your animals safe. Number 1, if you have a pet, please have it vaccinated. Number 2, if you frequently handle animals, it could be pets, it could be wildlife, it could be livestock, please get yourself vaccinated. Number 3, avoid handling animals you do not know whether or not they've been vaccinated. Remember, rabies is transmitted via bite, but it can also be transmitted when infected saliva gets to an open wound on your skin or on your mucous membrane, such as a mouth or eyes. So guys, avoid handling animals you do not know they've been vaccinated against rabies or not. Number 4, if you or your animal has been exposed to rabies, or if you suspect you or your animal has been exposed to rabies, please seek medical attention for your own sake. Seek veterinary attention for the sake of your animal. This could save a life. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please stay safe. Of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Until next time, it's a bye from me.